Hey everyone, welcome to episode 17 on our Linux series. So by the end of this video, you will be able to run any of the cron tab in your production system. You will be in a position to understand any cron job which has been already scheduled in your production systems. So without any further delay, let's jump into the topic. To scheduling your processes, we use multiple methods in Linux. One of it is very popular known as Cron tab. So there are other options as well like AT, sleep, etc., etc. So why we use it? Let's say you want to run a process or you want to run a program in the background, in a Linux way. So these are some of the options in which you can use it, right? Let's say you want to execute a script in a timely manner in your Linux server. You can use cron tab, or which is popularly used in the production systems. To schedule a particular task or schedule a particular process or run in the background in your production system. How it is being used, let's understand. So when it comes to understanding the cron tab or scheduling the cron tab, the denomination looks something like this, which we call it as 5 star, right? And each position of the star makes a significant role in scheduling your cron job. And each has some different value, which you can trigger to trigger your cron tab in multiple ways. What are these value? The first star is for your minute, which is can be from 0 to 59th of the hour. Second is the hour, which can be 0 to 23, which is out of 24 hours, can be any point. Third is your day of the month, which can be 1 to 31 on any of the day in the month, which you can cover. Fourth one signifies your month of the year, which can be from 1 to 12. 1 stands for January, 12 ends at December, and it can be defined for running on any point of time in the month or any point of time of the year. Finally, the day of the week. So which day of the week you want to do? It starts from 0 up to 6. 0 is for Sunday, 6 ends for Saturday, right? So how exactly it works? Let's see it in our, what I have done is I have written a script named as hello.sh, and this script is a simple script, does nothing but prints a message with hello from cron at this date, which is the current date and time, and it writes it or appends it to this particular log directory, which is already defined over here. If I do cat of this output, here you can see this is the time when the cron has run automatically and it has appended a message which is coming from the script. How I have done, the command which you use is to cron tab -l. So this will show what are the cron tabs which has been already being running in the system. So this is the information about all the cron tab. If I want to edit it, the command which I use is cron tab -e. So it will open that particular file in the editor mode. The main important thing is over here, right? So here I have done the timing changes, but if you want to run it simply, what you can do is you can change it to 5 star, which we just show. So what it will do is it will run this script in every minute. So 5 star means it has the default value to run it every minute, and it can execute accordingly. So just exit out of the editor mode and save it. And now the cron tab is scheduled to perform that particular script every minute, right? So this is one way of scheduling it, right? Now it might be confusing to understand that how it is being used and how to easily understand this cron tab or all the values, 5 values easily, right? So there is a website which we use in a day-to-day basis, which is known as Crontab Group, which shows something like this. I can give this uh, in the comment box for your reference, and you can use it. But what this website does is it helps us to understand the cron easily, right? So for example, this 5 star which has been given or which I have defined in my script means that at every minute, the cron tab should run it. Now I will tweak this value using the 5 star or all the values which is there. Now, the first star signifies the every minute and it is from 0 to 59. So let me change it. If I change this to 23, so every 23rd minute, it will run it, right? Or if I change it to 5, so every 5 minutes, this particular script will run it, or this cron tab will trigger it. Now I will change the second value, which is hour, which can take the value from 0 to 23. Let me change this to 3. So every 3.5 a.m., it will run it. So here it will show also when the next it will run. Now it is somewhere around 2:53, and at 3:05 this cron tab will run if I use this expression. Right now I will change the day expression. Now day expression can take from 1 to 31. So what I will do is I will change this to 24. So at 3:05 on 24th of the month it will run, and when it will run on 24th February. Okay, at 3:05 a.m. As simple as that. Now I will change the month value. Let me change it to 2. Okay, now it will now scheduled for February 24th at 3:05. Right now I will change the last value, which is week of which week. So if I change to 4, so what it will now change is at 3:05 on day of month 24. And if it is falling on Thursday, 4th I have given as Thursday, that is why it is showing. In February, if it is coming, then it will run in that month. So what I will do, I will just copy this value and I will go back to my cron tab hyphen E, and I will go over there, and in place of this, I will edit this and I will give this value. Okay. And if I save it, then what it will do on day of month 24th, if it is falling on Thursday in February, then it will run at 3:05. As simple as that. It's kind of a nested cron tab, which we have done, and you can do it, but you don't have to do every time. Most of the time, it is run either a certain period of time on the day or certain period of the week it can run. And that is how we run it. And this cron tab guru website not only can help you to write the cron tab efficiently or nested cron efficiently, you can use it to understand the existing cron tab, which has been already scheduled in your production systems. You can copy that expression and put it over here, and it will make you understand when this cron is supposed to run, and you can change it accordingly, or you want to understand whatever you want to do, you can do it as like it you want. So this is one way of using cron tab. So this expression is very important. Not only the cron tab, this expression will also be used in the Jenkins if you are trying to run any jobs in a periodical manner. So this expression also works over there. And you can use this website if you are working with Jenkins in your production system. So this is how we use Crontab. It's kind of a simple illustration, which I have tried to give. So hope you get it. If not, please let me know in the comment box. Try it out and try multiple ways of running your crons. And if you are not getting, please let me in the comment box. I will be happy to help, or join our Discord community. Our team along with me, we will be conducting one-on-one sessions to help you understand it better. So with that, we end today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you. Bye.